What's up, guys? So let's solve this 1409 queries on permutation with keys. I think this problem is very straightforward. Okay, so given an array queries positive integer 1 to m, and you have to process all query i's according to the following rules. The beginning you have the permutation 1 to m. So basically you got some array which is fixed at the beginning, so you want 1 to m. And for every I, you need to find a queries I in the permutation P index from 0. So you need to find something, somebody here, okay? And remove this in the beginning, right? So move this guy, this black one in the beginning, and the rest should be the same. Okay, that's it. And you need to collect the indices, right? So you have an answer, which you have the answer array. This answer array is this answer array will be the I think it's the indices, right? So it's this x, and this is the one round, and then you just keep queries, their length of queries. Okay, so for example, 3, 1 to 1, m is 5, right? So first one, right? So you get 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you first ask, 3, right? So you ask 3 is here, so 3 is index 2, right? So you add the index 2 in your answer, and then you move 3 to beginning, so it becomes 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. And for I equals to 1, query I is 1, right? So you ask this. Right, so now you start from now index is what is 1, right? So the answer will be 1, and you move this 1 in the beginning, so become 1, 3, 2, 5, 2, 4, 5. Okay, I think it's very straightforward. Well, this problem is the simulation, right? I mean, I think there's no other way to do this. You just need to follow everything. So follow the rules, okay? So idea is you create m p from 1 to m plus 1, and you get the answer and the queries. Okay, you only care about the queries is a non-zero part, I think. Yeah, I think you don't need x for x in query if x is non-zero. I think by definition, x is always non-zero, right? So actually, I think we don't need this. Now you go through the queries, and then you find index, right? And the answer should appear in the index, and then you take the p index into a temporary value. So in the temporary value, and you just remove that index and insert into the beginning, right? So these 3 steps is just this simulation. I think that's it, and then you just return an answer. So just follow the definition, and yeah, that's it. See you guys on the next video.